Ajit Krishnan was born on April 19, 1982, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Krishnan embarked on his journey with the Indian Air Force (IAF) after graduating from the National Defence Academy. His exceptional skills and leadership were recognized early on, leading to his receipt of both the President's Gold Medal and the Sword of Honor at the Air Force Academy. His commission into the IAF's fighter stream on June 21, 2003, marked the beginning of a distinguished career. Ajit Krishnan's tenure as a flying instructor and test pilot has been marked by an impressive accumulation of approximately 2,900 hours of flying experience. This experience spans a wide range of aircraft, including the advanced Su-30 MKI, the venerable MiG-21 and MiG-29, the versatile Jaguar, as well as the Dornier and An-32 among others. His expertise in these various aircraft showcases his adaptability and proficiency in the air. Moreover, Ajit's educational background is further enriched by his time spent at the Defence Services Staff College DSSC in Wellington, Tamil Nadu. Ajit Krishnan is one of the 4 astronauts selected for India's Gaganyaan crewed space mission to low Earth orbit, planned for 2026. Group Captain Ajit Krishnan, Gaganyaan astronaut designate, presents his research on the study comparing different viewing methods for manually the orbiting spacecraft using VR simulation, supervised by Professor Pradipta Biswas at DM, IISc. Captain Krishnan is currently pursuing his Masters by Research at DM, IISc. He presented his research work at a colloquium and will soon defend his thesis. The work is also done in collaboration with a team from Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO. Early this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the 4 astronaut designates to be on board the maiden human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan, of the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO to demonstrate India's human spaceflight capability. The Gaganyaan mission is India's first human space flight program that aims to send a team of astronauts into space, to an orbit of 400 kilometers for 3 days, and bring them safely back to Earth. Captain Ajit Krishnan from the Indian Air Force is among the 4 astronaut designates for India's Gaganyaan mission. Born in Chennai on April 19, 1982, he is alumnus of NDA, Defence Services Staff College, Wellington and a recipient of President's Gold Medal and Sword of Honor at Air Force Academy. He was commissioned into the fighter stream on July 21, 2003 and is a flying instructor and a test pilot with approximately 2,900 hours of flying experience. Captain Krishnan is currently pursuing his Masters by Research at the Department of Design and Manufacturing DM, Indian Institute of Science IISc, on the study using virtual reality simulations to compare 2 different viewing methods for manually the orbiting spacecraft, under the supervision of Professor Pradipta Biswas, Associate Professor at DM and Robert Boss Center for Cyber Physical Systems, IISc, Bengaluru. This work is also done in collaboration with a team from Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO. Captain Krishnan has recently presented his work at a colloquium and will soon defend his thesis.